Hi guys, so yesterday I posted a story. I don't know if any of you answered it, but I'm not sure. But yeah, anyways, so my question is cos rule vs sine rule, which is actually the better rule to use, so called. But before that, let me give you an introduction. When do we use cosine rule? We use it during SSS, side, or SAS. And sine rule, we use it when we have angle, side angle, or SSA. Okay, this is the most basic when it comes to sine rule and cosine rule. So my yesterday question, I asked like this. I have a triangle. So this is angle C. I have given you, this is 3 cm, 3.9 cm, 5.8 cm. Then I want you to calculate angle C. So I have so actually, right, it looks like you can actually use the cosine rule to calculate angle C. But wait, there's more. This is 28.25. I have given you the angle some more. So you might be wondering, you can actually use both rule, but which rule is the better one to use? Okay, so let's try using the cosine rule first. So use the cosine rule. So for the cosine rule, I have a squared is equals to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc, the cosine of a. Sub in the value. So 5.8 squared is equals to 3 squared plus 3.9 squared minus 3.9, the cosine of c. So you simplify. When you simplify, alright. When you simplify, you will get 5.8 square. So hold on a second, 5.8 square minus 3 square minus 3.9 square. So this you will get 9.43 is equals to 2 times 3 times 3.9, the negative 23.4, the cosine of c. So cos c is equals to negative 9.43 over 23.4. So c is equals to the inverse of cosine negative 9.43 over 23.4. Put it in a calculator. So cosine inverse of cos negative 9.43 over 23.4. You'll realize that the answer you get is 113.765 degrees, which is okay. How about let's try the sine rule though. Let's see. So I found cosine rule, which is good, but what about sine rule? So for sine rule, we have a over sine A is equals to b over sine B. Am I right? So a over sine A, so I can take this and this, then I can take 5.8 equals. So angle A, which is 3 over sine 28.25 is equals to 5.8 over sine C. So you'll realize that 3 sine C is equals to 5.8 sine 28.25. So sine C is equals to 5.8 sine 28.25 over 3. Then C is equals to the inverse of sine 5.8 sine 28.25 over 3. Again, you can punch it in the calculator. So inverse of sine 5.8 sine 28.25 over 3. And for this, right, you'll be curious though, you will get 66.218 degrees. So both answers are quite different. You have one is this, another one is this. So what's the difference? Like why a same angle but same length, you just use a different rule? The answer is different. Well, let me tell you something. Turns out the correct answer is actually this. This is the correct answer. I couldn't say this is wrong. This is actually not complete. Why? So, if you don't know, the range of cosine and sine. So, the range of sine is actually, from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. So, this is a note. But cosine, the range is actually from 0 to pi, or so-called from negative 90 to 90. And then this is 0 to 180. So, does it mean that this sine rule wouldn't work on this question? No. Well, how do I find using the sine rule though? You can just take 180 minus this, and turns out you will actually get the same answer if you take 180 minus 66.218. So it's 113.7 degrees, somewhere there. So it's 7, 8 lah, but it's actually the same. Why? So when I said this, right, when I said 180 minus, it means that from this diagram, I'm actually calculating further. So you see this, let me just draw it out. So I'm actually calculating like this, you know. So this, and then I'm just gonna make a sketch, because how do I make a sketch of this? So okay, like this. Yeah, this. So because, right, this is 3, that means this is an isosceles, this is also 3. Okay? So 28.25 and 3, and then 5.8 and this. So 5.8 and this. So that means, right, what I am actually so-called calculating is indirectly this angle. So that's why, right, when I actually use the sine rule, my range is from negative 90 to 90. So that's why this question, I cannot say is wrong, it's not complete solution. However, the cosine rule, it gives you the answer that you want. So take note of this, because I don't know, because IGCSE, I'm not sure will they require you to know the range of the sine and the cosine when using the trigonometric, but yeah, just take note of this. So what I think, if you want a more accurate answer in maths, cosine rule is better actually. But if you have like SSS, SAS, and then it gives you like this, just use the cosine rule, is much safer. Because sine rule, it has a range of a negative 90 degrees to 90 degrees. So that means it cannot calculate an what do you call it? Acute angle. I don't know what is it called. I forgot already. But more than 90-degree angle. So the sine rule cannot calculate because sine has a range of negative 90 to 90. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you to a friend of mine who gave this idea to me. And if you would like to drop me some more ideas, please let me know. A friend of mine actually gave me this. It was on his school test, and I was like, okay, then I can try. Okay, if you want me to do any more content, just let me know. Alright, thank you.